Let's just go straight to the cool stuff. Standard everyday circ saw, 1/4" steel. Yes, I just used the same saw I use when I'm cutting 2x4s to cut that 1/4" steel. What I'm talking about today are steel Demon saw blades and drill bits. When you run into these scenarios where you have to cut metal, this is a crazy cool thing to know about. You saw how it just blasted through that metal right there. The drill bits are going to do the same. You'll see that in a second. So here's what's going on with the saw blades. An alternative to cutting your way through metal, like I just did, is basically grinding your way through metal. With these steel Demon saw blades, they're about 50 times cooler than a cutoff wheel, an abrasive wheel that you might otherwise use. Additionally, they're about 10 times faster. You saw how fast I moved across this metal right here. So keeping your metal from overheating, getting the job done faster, that's all good stuff. Now what I'm going to do next is, let's have a look at drilling a hole. So step 1, create a center punch. Let's grab a 3/8 bit out of here. So, you might say, what size do you pre-drill when you're going to drill a 3/8 hole? I didn't pre-drill. I went straight to the 3/8 bit, punched all the way through. Now another thing I really like about these bits is that when you look at the shank, they're made with flats to receive the jaws of your chuck. So if you've had the experience with other metal drilling bits where when it hangs up a little bit at the end, if it hangs up a little bit at the end, your chuck spins on the shank of the bit. Can't happen here because we're tightening on those flats. So the grind makes it very easy to go straight to the size that you need without doing that pre-drill. Let's look at removing our 1/4" plate. How about some 1" tubing? Easy peasy. Pretty commonly used item for building stuff, angle iron. Like butter. Now let's have a look at using a larger diameter bit. I'm going to do this one at the drill press. To be able to go straight to that 1/2" bit and punch through without a pre-drill, that's impressive. So I'm just saying, next time you're doing a metal project, have a look at those metal demon bits, the steel demon blades. When you check out the blades, they have different specs on different blades. So get the blade that matches the wall thickness, the thickness of what it is that you're looking to cut. Can't believe how quickly, with the circ saw, we're cutting through metal. With the drill bits, we're drilling through metal. It's amazing stuff.